Hey family, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Hey family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we are having
ostrich leg. AKA turkey leg.
Today we're having turkey leg, and I wanted to beef it up a little bit, so I have some corn, some potatoes, some egg, a sausage. Yeah, man. And then we have some rice back here, and we have some sauce to dip the stuff in. We are hungry, guys, and if you notice that my eyes are red, it's because I took my contacts out. You guys know the drill.
No, she's not smoking that
America one. No, but if I was, I would let y'all know,
she's not smoking that. But listen.
Ooh, look at the sauce.
I'm going to give you a piece of egg today, okay? Because this turkey leg is going down.
So you're not going to do no turkey leg?
This turkey leg can't share today. Share it here and listen. So I'm going to give you a little piece of the egg before I get down in this goodness. Here, take a piece of the egg, okay? Here you go. All right? Family. You know we don't live like that, but there. This ostrich leg going to go down.
Ostrich leg.
Thank you. All right, good. This ostrich leg gotta go down. That's why it tastes good, yo. Good thing I take some rice. Wow. Yo. Sorry. You alright? Hold on. Water for somebody. Do you want next water?
Family, water.
Listen. She went on the rampage today, right?
That's what happens when you're hungry, you know.
Potatoes too? By the way, you turn your seafood.
I got me a 7-1 turkey leg.
Wow. Here. I give you a piece of my sausage, okay? That's how we like it. You didn't get a piece of your leg? Because mine can't share.
Okay.
Please. Wow.
I feel like when I'm eating this, I feel like the Flintstones.
Yo. Wow. You went all in today.
You think that is too bright, honey?
Oh. No, we're good. They gotta see the ostrich leg up in person. Damn.
I have rice back here, guys. I have a sausage.
Wow. Let me see that sausage.
Yeah, you not gonna give your piece too?
Family. Wow, I don't know where to start. Eeny, meeny, miny. I go here. Family.
It's hot.
We don't gotta go to Disney World to get turkey leg.
It's delicious.
We bring it home with us, you know? Wow.
I just felt like eating this today.
If you felt it, what do you think about me?
And I was like, ooh, I have sausage in here. I have egg. Marvel. Everybody in the pot.
This is huge. I took the biggest one too. Remember that thing?
The outside of the turkey leg is crispy, but the inside is still juicy.
They could see that.
And these 3 turkey legs, because I made 3. One for Richie, one for me, and for the kids. I'm gonna save it, and I'm gonna make some red pea soup, and I'm gonna put the turkey leg in there. It's hot. So how you guys been? Honey, you know you have a story to tell today, right?
I can't undo the story.
No. You can't do that to the people then.
Valley.
You can't.
I think I have to tell that story to you, family. I cannot. I gotta enjoy this right here. The story's not going nowhere. They don't get him. But today, I gotta make sure because I was.
Hot.
You're the best cook. And you always make my favorite. I don't know how you do that sometimes.
Keep it up, no, because I'm still a family member. Oh.
Listen,
Keep it up.
I might not eat all the potato, minute, but I'm sure eat my potato, my potato leg, my turkey leg.
Potatoes for sure.
Yeah, AK, you know. Damn.
Decoration. I don't want a potato either.
You don't want a potato?
The rice is what I want.
The sausage is just right.
I didn't make this in the air fryer, but I made the sausage in the air fryer. I could have, but I had too much turkey legs. Not enough space.
I don't even want to drink some juice to fill myself. This is delicious.
So you like it?
Yeah.
Yes, that's something I like it.
Look.
Bring your body, come on, let me ride it.
Yeah, I think I did video.
I'm singing a song.
Wow. Wow.
Steam.
It's the steam for me.
Ooh.
Okay, man. I give in. Take a bite off the back too. I give in. I'm being greedy. And I never, it's big, right? Yes, take a bite. I was just kidding with you. Come on now. You know I'm not going to do that to y'all. Come on.
So you had them give me some of mine for no reason?
Take a bite off the back.
It's okay.
Okay? Yeah, I know, I was just kidding. You know we don't live like that.
Yeah, I'll share today because it's big.
Yeah. You know we don't live like that, family. So enjoy the back part of it while I take my video. Everybody can take a bite. You know? Wow.
I feel like I'm eating seafood because I have so much stuff, right?
Okay. I told you I'd take a piece and you didn't want it. Okay. I hear it.
Woo! Pepper now.
This is awesome.
Makaya.
Wow.
We told you guys, if you go to Universal, the turkey leg is bigger than this, right?
These are big. Can't find a cow. Well, I sure find an ostrich. Look at that steam though. Y'all can't see that, huh? I want y'all to be capping. It is steamy. My lips is burned up now. You hit somebody with this food, they knock you out.
For me, I feel like I'm clapping a lot today. But that's okay.
I'm not clapping.
Ooh, that's good.
Sorry. Yes. I got all of my two want to drop it?
Yeah. I don't have much to say because this food is good. You guys have to try it. It's not hard. Just buy some turkey legs. The smoked ones though. And just basically you just heat it up in the oven. That's time. But we want ours to be dark.
Wow. I enjoy it.
It looks like I didn't even make a dent in mine tonight, but I'm eating on this side, you see?
You look like you did more than me.
This side is still...
Excuse me, you did more than me. You did more than me. It's not how you start though, it's how you finish. You know that, right? It is that good. Yes, it is.
And it's already seasoned. It already has that smokiness to
It
it.
is good.
You don't have to add anything to it except put it in the oven.
How much pound was this?
I don't know, about a pound and a half, child.
I don't want nothing else.
But a turkey leg. I'm not gonna lie, guys. I know we said it yesterday, but we really do miss you guys. Talking with you guys.
No. You think they don't know that? Come on now. They really know that. They know that. I told you. We got them true family members, dog. No cap. Yeah.
You sure do.
The true ones, you know?
Uncle.
Huh?
I just say when they're full. Uncle. Okay, they're full.
Yeah. Wow. Gobble gobble.
If you guys ever seen this in the store, don't pass it up.
What? The leg?
A turkey leg.
Try it.
It's not just for holidays, like for Thanksgiving and stuff and Christmas.
You tell them where you got it from?
Right from Walmart.
Do not pass it up.
Some stores have it in the meat section. And some stores have it like, you know how Walmart has the freezer in the middle?
Did you get it?
Because when I went to the store, I thought they didn't have it. And I said, let me walk around. And I saw it in the middle case. I'm glad I did.
Family. Oh my gosh. I had to enjoy this today. Tomorrow you will not miss that story time. Or you want me to give you a half of it right now? Give them half a piece of it?
It's kind of quick, honey.
So, cause it's kind of long. The story not quick. That quick it is. Isn't it?
Yeah.
Remember, I gotta give them details and how we reached there and how we got to where we at. You know.
Okay, then yeah.
So I'm gonna save it for tomorrow. Okay. Remind me though. You gotta remind me. Cause if you don't remind me, I'm gonna forget. Cause you know when I start, I can't concentrate when I'm eating. So you gotta remind me. Okay.
So you finally admit it.
I'm closing my eye because I want to splash my eye.
Oh.
So when I'm eating, I don't concentrate good. Yeah. What's your first lady?
That's good.
What?
Nothing.
I can't concentrate good? It's getting nice.
I like the crispiness of it.
Yeah. Family, see? Without your help, this wouldn't happen. You see that? Thank you for helping. First day did good too.
I don't know.
You did good.
That can't make no dent.
You did good, man. No, when you have small mouth. Yo, just a lot of meat, you know? I appreciate them for helping me. Trust me. I know why I say I'm not gonna get into there, and I know I'm not gonna eat up by myself. Look at y'all. Look at y'all. Look what y'all left. Come on, y'all. Don't do that.
They ate all that?
Yeah. I'm not gonna call no names, but I appreciate everyone, y'all. Yo, it's skin chewy, you know?
See?
You did good. Just leave that. Leave that.
That's
I
my
can make a we call it.
Ready for my soup.
I could make a salad, a turkey salad.
That's cool.
Family, look at that. Yeah, it's a lot of meat. You know that. Do not pass it up. Try it. Get the smoke one.
Wow, you ain't eating none of your eggs.
I ate one egg. That's the first thing I ate.
Oh.
The first thing I ate was an egg. Because I know. Excuse me. Wow.
Wow.
That was big.
My bad. It's a turkey leg did it.
It's alright. It happens. Yeah.
It just came out too.
It was. We don't wait till Thanksgiving to eat turkey, okay? We eat turkey anytime we want. So. Wow. Tom.
What?
What do you think? I did good?
I did really good.
I did excellent.
I did really
Man,
good.
what y'all think? You think I did good on? You think I did good on him?
Him?
See, I made the wrong thing, you know. On you think I did good on
Shanice's turkey leg?
Shanice's turkey leg? Nobody has turkey leg but Shanice. Wow. You think somebody can eat up? 3 of them. So almost we eat up 3. No, we can't do that. Alright, family.
That's true.
We full for today?
I'm not gonna lie.
The boss says she's full. When the boss says she's full, she's full. Okay. I'm just looking at something. Okay.
I want to eat the egg in the. Oh, I start chewing the egg.
Alright, family. Let me give you something.
I'm gonna finish this egg. Just cause it's
This one's gonna be short and sweet, family. I just want you to think about this one, okay? It's something for you to think today. Okay, just think about it and let me see. We got a lot of small family members. Remember that kid?
Yes, please.
Alright, family. Your mind greasy, you know?
We messed this food up.
You did good. Family, First Lady, listen, okay?
Y'all listen, mommy. Y'all listen well.
Family, don't trust everything you see. First Lady. Even salt look like sugar. So you could put that in any way you want to put that. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? So you put it the way you want to put it. It's something to think about, alright? Because I told you that already, right? So remember, family, don't trust everything you see. First Lady. Even salt look like sugar. Okay. As I said, put it in your own terms. You know what I'm saying? That's for y'all. That one is for y'all. Definitely just think about it. And I want you to say, Pastor Richie, I put in my own terms. Everybody could have their own opinion on this one, okay?
Because even a turkey leg can look like an ostrich leg.
You see? You bop. Yo, you see that? Even a turkey leg could look like an ostrich leg, okay? So that's what I'm trying to say. So
oh, Lord.
You can put it any way you want. Oh, that's trouble me. Any way you want. But we appreciate y'all. We really, really, really appreciate y'all rocking with us. For real, family. You know what I'm saying? For everybody that been here with us. And for everybody that's joining on. Welcome to the fam. Because this over here is positive vibe. And we just talk about anything, okay? So, I am Richie. This is Shanice, aka First Lady. One and only, you heard it first. Alright, go on, check.
You guys are the greedy family. We know that there are millions
of turkey leg again, Nick. I gotta take it up. Is it gone, baby? Is it good?
We know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and we appreciate you taking the time to come and watch us. We will see you guys next time for another what? Another mukbang, of course.
Yes.
Bye. Don't say nothing else at the end. Don't say nothing at the end. Shit, man.